Here we have a Seat Ateka SUV 1.5 litre TSI Evo SE technology 150 PS. The car's a cracker and it has a top spec, including cruise control with front assist, a park assist system, chrome roof rails, an automatic post-collision brake, hill hold control, brake assist, and these 18-inch alloy wheels. Now, the boot is large and it is also very spacious. The interior has an 8-inch colour touchscreen, a 3.5-inch driver display, and 2-zone climate control. So for more information, feel free to phone, email, or pop into Western Volkswagen Newbridge.